In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the common error message on Epson WorkForce Pro WF-5620 that says maintenance box is at the end of its service life. If your printer has stopped printing and shows this warning, follow this video step by step to solve the problem easily.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable. Make sure all remaining power is fully discharged from the printer. Now, rotate the printer and remove the duplex unit so you can easily take out the maintenance box. Now you can easily remove the box, and you just need to reset the box chip, which is very simple and easy. Now, to reset the printer, you need a chip resetter with code T6710. This chip resetter can easily reset the chip of this printer and also works with some other Epson printer models. You can buy this chip resetter from online stores for $20 to $50. The great thing is that it has no limit, so you can use it forever without restrictions. To reset the chip, connect the pins of the chip resetter correctly to the chip's connectors. Make sure you place it on the correct side so the red light turns green. Now insert the maintenance box back into the printer, then reinstall the duplex unit in its original position. In this video from Device Doctor, you learned how to fix a common Epson WorkForce Pro WF-5620 error step by step, without replacing expensive parts or sending the printer to a service center. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to Device Doctor for more professional printer fixes, and leave a comment if you have any questions or face a similar issue. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.